We'll guide you through how to install Paint.net plugins to enhance your editing experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Paint.net forum, or a trusted source for plugins. Look for the plugins you want to download, ensuring they are compatible with your version of Paint.net. Once you've found a plugin you like, download the zip file to your computer. Next, open the downloaded zip file using a file extraction tool like WinRAR or the built-in Windows File Explorer. Extract the contents of the zip file to a location on your computer. Now, you need to open your Paint.net installation folder. This is usually located in the Program Files directory on your C drive. Navigate to the Paint.net folder and look for a subfolder named Effects or File Types, depending on the type of plugin you're installing. You can now copy the extracted plugin files into the appropriate folder. If you don't see the Effects or File Types folder, you may need to create them manually, ensuring they are named correctly. Once you've copied the plugin files into the folder, close the File Explorer and open Paint.net. The new plugins should now be available under the Effects menu or File Types options within Paint.net. If you don't see them immediately, try restarting Paint.net to ensure it loads the new plugins. Remember to always download plugins from reputable sources to avoid any security risks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.